Here I have DELL Venue 8 and let me show you how to insert here memory card, so micro SD card. At the very beginning you can begin this operation with your phone switched on or switched off. Let me switch off my device at first, choose power off and tap OK. Wait until your device will be completely shut down, and then you have to remove the protection in that corner of the device, in that edge. Let's open this protection by using your nail finger, as simple as that. And as you can see, here you can insert memory card right here. Let me show you. So all you have to do is push your memory card in that position with the characteristic edge right here. Let's push it that way in that button right here. You can help yourself with some tool to press it to the end. Let me show you. And you should hear the characteristic click. So if you would like to remove this micro SD card, let's push it again. As simple as that. Let me show you. And now you can remove the whole card from your device. As simple as that. But let me insert this card. So let's press it to the end. You can use some tool, as I said. Make sure it's closed properly. Then let's close your protection. And now all you have to do is simply press power key to check if your card is working properly. The DELL is turning on. Just wait a couple of seconds. You can unlock the device, tap apps icon, find and select settings right here, scroll down to device tab, choose storage, and as you can see the device is reading your SD card, so everything went well, your card is working properly. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.